Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use proving a feature in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my document and I'm going to show you how we can use the proving menu. First of all, if you want to get the proving feature, you need to go to the review menu right here. Click on the review and here you'll be able to get the proving feature. Here you can check your spelling and grammar, or you can count how many words you have in your document. If you want to count words, you just need to choose like this one, like this, and you will get the statistics about how many characters you have in paragraphs, lines, and also the words and pages. I'm just going to click on close. And the second one, you can use it to check your spelling and grammar. Just click on that and here you will get these suggestions. And here you can ignore the suggestion or you can use it. Okay, and if you want to change the proving language, guys, you just need to go to this section and you can change proving language here. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use proving feature in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.